Create new document. Select Artboard and click on Create. Click on File and place Embedded. Select Texture Image and press Enter. Again, click on File and place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Select any selection tool and click on Select Subject. Now add Layer Mask. Press Ctrl+T, right-click and click on Flip Horizontal. Click on File and place Embedded. Select Image and click on Place. Move it down and add Layer Mask. Select Brush tool and follow the process. Select Background Texture, click on Adjustment Layer and click on Curves. Now adjust the darkness. Select Brush tool and follow the process. Decrease brush opacity around 40%.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Select Burger Layer, click on Adjustment Layer and Curves. Increase the darkness. Click on Clipping Mask. Now click on Mask and press Ctrl+I to invert. Select Brush tool and follow the process. Brush opacity around 40%. Create new layer. Change blend mode normal to multiply. Make sure foreground color is black. Now follow the same process. Decrease opacity around 60%. Click on Curves Mask. Select Brush tool, increase brush size and decrease brush opacity 20%. Now click 2 times. Now click on Burger Mask. Now erase the bottom edge of Burger.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Create new layer. Select Brush tool, make bigger. Foreground color white. Now click here to add light effect. Change blend mode normal to overlay. Decrease opacity around 30%. Now add some blur effect in background. Click on Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Blur radius around 5 pixels. Now select Table Image. Click on Filter, Blur and Gaussian Blur. Blur radius around 8 pixels. Click on Blur Mask. Select Brush Tool and follow the process. Decrease brush opacity around 50%. Now decrease brush opacity around 10%. Right-click and change brush size. Increase brush opacity around 50%. Create new layer. Right-click and click on Create Clipping Mask. Now create shadow. Change blend mode normal to multiply, and opacity around 70%. Now add layer mask on shadow layer. Select Brush Tool and follow the process. Select this 3-layer and create group. Now add background light effect. Create new layer. Select Brush Tool and follow the process. Change blend mode normal to screen. Opacity around 20%. Select Horizontal Type tool. I'm using Chunk 5 font.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Text size 220 point. Hold down Alt and drag to create duplicate. Change color. Now align the text. Select both text and press Ctrl+G to create group. Double-click on the group layer. Hold Alt and click to break, now drag the anchor point. Repeat same process with this. Select Horizontal Type tool and write text here. I'm using Poppin's regular font. Hold down Alt and drag to create duplicate. Double-click and write the text. Make sure this text is left aligned. You can place your brand name or logo here. Now create duplicate.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now follow the same process and align the all text. Select Pen tool and follow the process. Select Ellipse tool and follow the process. Now create duplicate. Follow the same process and create.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Now add some yellow tone in background. Create solid color. Clip this shadow in the burger. Right-click and click on Create Clipping Mask. Select Solid Color Layer and change Blend Mode Normal to Overlay. Decrease the opacity around 50%. I hope you like this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tutorial.